Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a team in Microsoft Teams. Let's have a look now. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application on your computer. In the left-hand sidebar, find and click on the Chat tab. This will display your current Teams. Click here to start a new chat. Now click on Add Group Name and type your team name. After typing the name of your team, you will have the option to add members. You can invite colleagues or classmates by entering their email addresses. Your new team is now ready. You can start collaborating, sharing files, and communicating with your team members. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.